Imagine this. What if your system could automatically reward high-value orders? No extra clicks, no manual work, just smart selling. That's exactly what Oracle Fusion lets you do, and I'll show you how. Let's understand this with a use case. In our example, whenever a customer's order reaches a certain value, the system will automatically add a free promotional item. No human intervention needed. For instance, if a customer buys the Adriana Queen bed set and their order goes over £1,500, system will automatically get a free gift, the Sense Visco Gel Memory Foam. And just like in real promotions, this is valid only within the start and end dates we've set up. In other words, the promotional item is awarded based on the spend threshold, that is total order amount, ensuring a seamless and rewarding experience for the customer. Let's walk through creating the order. From the Order Management tab, select Create Order. Choose the right business unit and add your customer. Now, let's add the main item, the Adriana Queen bed set. As soon as we type the item number in the Select Item field, Oracle Fusion pulls up all the details for us: price, unit of measure, everything. At this point, make sure the total order value meets or exceeds the £1,500 threshold. Once it does, just click Add to confirm the details. Note that the order is still in draft at this point. Now watch what happens. As soon as we save the order, the system automatically adds the complementary item. Notice the item, Sense Visco Gel Memory Foam, appears as a new order line, but with a list price of $0. That's confirmation that the system is awarding the promotion automatically. If we check the line details, we'll see it clearly marked as Free Promotion Item from Monsoon Mattress Edition. This reconfirms that it's complimentary and tied to the promotion. All right, but how does the system actually know to do this? Let's break it down quickly. Let's navigate to Home page, then go to Pricing Administration, then select Manage Pricing Promotions. Here we'll open the promotion called Monsoon Mattress Edition. First, the start and end dates. These determine when the promotion is active, perfect for things like seasonal sales or special offers. Next, the eligibility conditions. In this case, the rule is simple. The order total must be over £1,500, and under benefits, you'll see the free promotional item that gets added. In this case, the Sense Visco Gel Memory Foam. That's why in our example, once the order hit £1,800, the system automatically triggered the promotion and added the free gift. So to wrap up, Oracle Fusion's promotion feature available in Pricing Administration makes it really simple to run and maintain promotions. You set the rules once, and the system takes care of the rest, applying discounts, adding free items, and making sure customers get that extra value. It's seamless for the customer and hassle-free for the business.